Hey guys, how's it going? It's Ollie here from CryptoVest.com. Today is the 19th of September and we're going to be looking at Ripple trading against Bitcoin over 4-hour candles. Ripple's just carrying on strong. Today it's up another 15.39% against Bitcoin. And for those of you that don't know, haven't been following Ripple, basically yesterday in an interview with CNBC, Ripple's head of regulatory relations was hinting that XRP will be going live over the next few months towards the end of the year. So that's big news. Earlier on in the week, we also heard that the Saudi Arabia's National Commercial Bank was going to be joining the Ripple net, and as well, there's sort of hints and rumors that XRP might be used as a tipping coin for YouTube. So some really big things going forward for the project, and that's had a huge effect on the price, as you can imagine. So right now, let's just wind it right back to sort of the beginning. So we actually started off, Ripple actually started off like many cryptocurrencies in a sort of descending triangle pattern, sort of similar to this. So we had a downtrending resistance and a flat base support, where as bulls tried to launch off, each time bears progressively sort of hampered down the price, and eventually this broke bearish. So you're seeing this is very similar. We saw it with Litecoin, we've seen it with Ethereum, we've even seen it with Bitcoin to a degree, although that's a bit more of a falling wedge than a descending triangle. But yeah, so you get the idea. So it went from a descending triangle and then it pushed into a falling wedge, and you can tell that these sort of lower lows here helped create this lower downtrending support line. So that's just to give you an idea of what we went from. And so right now you can see we found the bottom here at 4,050 sats very recently, actually, around the 12th of September, and we started traveling sideways. The actual price action has been hugging this downtrending resistance really nicely all the way through this, and you can see pretty much through the whole of the end of August up till recently. It's just been hugging all the way down. We started to travel sideways as it bounced off this support, retested this resistance for the millionth time, and then eventually broke through, and very recently broke through on the back of this news. And you can see how that's now just started to travel vertical up as people are really starting to get behind it. Looking at the EMA lines, you can see that we've almost got a golden crossover between the 50 and 200 EMA lines, this blue and red line here, and we're now heading towards this very key level here at 5,412 sats. Historically, this was a strong resistance, acted as a support throughout sort of July, and then was tested again in August. So it's a bit of a flipping support and resistance line. Right now, we've got the 500 EMA starting to rest along this as well. So it'll be a really interesting area. So Ripple, depending on how it acts at this resistance, will sort of determine how it's going to perform for the next month, at least in the short term. But we do have a bull target above. So the top end of the bull target was actually the base support of the descending triangle pattern that we just looked at. So that's around 6,000 sats, 7,000 sats. It's around 7,000 sats. And the lower, sort of the first area that we're looking to hit into the bull area, will be around 6,145 sats. So yeah, a few things to really get excited about. It'll be interesting to see how this performs and whether it can carry on this momentum through the week. It'd be nice to see this sort of golden crossover and maybe enter into a new bullish phase. But for the full TA, guys, if you want to head over to CryptoVest.com, the link will be in the description. And yeah, please like and subscribe. Thank you.